Alpha Mike Lima calling CQ on 160. Hello CQ, hello CQ.
And there are about 4 or 5 stations here at the moment, so we're a veritable forest of squid holes.
So this is a 30 metre setup. Oh yeah, 30 metre, yeah.
So that's what is it?
And it goes in. That board there has obviously got some IS.
Give me a ring because what is get SDRs are starting
Yes,
to.
yeah.
There's 2 really good guys on YouTube at the moment. They're extraordinary.
That's reasonable.
The resistive bridge.
Yeah.
The output from the resistive bridge, then I usually put to this, just to confirm what I've done. And there's some agreement. That tunes this. That's a K&Q single sideband direct conversion, and a mate of mine, you may have worked him at some stage, VK3ZTR Tony, made that up for me, and that's an Arduino PCB or PCU plus a DDS. There flew various drones into it. The only one that damaged it was the big commercial one, 8 blades, 850.
Harlow was totally blocked. VK3 Alpha Mike Lima calling CQ on 160. Hello CQ, hello CQ.
VK3 Alpha Mike Lima.
Alligator clip, so just a slight delay. Back to you. Are you there, Dave? Yes, I'm driving down the highway now towards the next suburb. Okay, at least we know we're getting across one suburb. At least we're up to 1914 standard with the transmission. VK3 ASC, VK3 AML.
40 metre handrail, which would be an ideal quarter wave.
VK3 AML portable, VK3YE stationary mobile. VK3 ASC mobile station, over.